If you want to turn off lock screen notification on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then you just need to go to the settings. Now scroll down and go to the notifications, where you will find the lock screen notifications. Now from here you'll find different types of options available here. You can go with show content or hide content, but if you want to disable or turn off totally the lock screen notification on your device, then you can simply tap on this toggle button. This is now turned on, that's mean the lock screen notification is turned on my device. Now if you tap on this toggle button for once, and you will get the off status, that's mean you just turn off the lock screen notification on your device. But you can also, if you want to disable some notification for a specific application, then you can go with show content, and you can tap on this gear icon, and where you will find the application that are allowed to send you notification, and it will appear on your lock screen. So for example, if I want to disable this Facebook notification to appear on lock screen, so I just need to tap on this toggle button, and when it turn into gray color, that's mean I have just turned off Facebook to send me notification to my lock screen. So it won't appear on my lock screen. So if you want to turn off lock screen notification for a specific application, then you just need to tap on this toggle button once, and it will just turn off the notification for you to show up on your lock screen. You can also hide content, so it will hide the content of that notification, but you can get the notification on your lock screen. So that's how simply you can just turn off the lock screen notification on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.